Welcome back everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be starting triangles of class 10 CBSE. So most of the things you will already be knowing regarding triangles, and I will not cover all the basics because most of the things you all already know. For that there will be a playlist, upcoming playlist on basic geometry. There you can find all those things. So to start with, triangle is a plane figure bounded by three sides, or it is a polygon with three sides. So basically it is a plane figure which has three sides. This is a plane figure having three sides, and in general, if the sides are denoted by A here, B or C, then the opposite angles actually are named the same. For example, the angle opposite to side C is angle C, and the angle opposite to side A will be angle A here, and the angle opposite to side B will be angle B. This is a method to denote angles. And another method is here, where basically if the vertices of the triangle are A, B, C, so the angle BAC, that is the angle containing vertex A, can be sometimes denoted by angle A, and the angle containing vertex B here can be denoted by angle B, that is angle ABC, which actually is the angle of vertex B, so it can be angle B, and similarly angle C. So basically we will try to write the whole angle like angle BAC, ABC, BCA. Sometimes for the convenience I may also use this angle A, angle B, angle C things. Now I am not going into the details of triangles, like the different types of triangles or their properties. That is not needed, I think, for you at least, because you are in class 10 now. And I will directly move to the similarity of triangles, which will be our main thing to discuss in class 10 regarding the properties of similarity and theorems. What is similarity? And so let us proceed to that. So here, similarity of triangles. Okay, so the similarity sign is something like this. This thing will be clear when I write a similarity. So the criteria of similarity, right? So what is basically similarity? When two triangles are said to be similar, the two criteria are their corresponding angles are equal. This is the first criteria, their corresponding angles are equal, this one. And the second criteria is their corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportion. So what do I mean by that? The first thing, their corresponding angles are equal. So these are two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So you can see here, these triangles will be similar when their corresponding angles, that means here the corresponding angles are angle A and angle D. So angle A equals angle D when the angle corresponding to angle B here, that is angle E, so angle B equals angle E, and angle C here equals angle F, angle C here angle equals angle F. Then we can say, if this criteria is fulfilled, that if in two triangles their corresponding angles, I hope you can understand what I mean by corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles are equal, then we can say the triangles are similar. And to write that mathematically, we write triangle ABC this is a similar sign, something like this is similar to triangle DEF. And the second criteria, their corresponding sides are in same ratio. If we can find a relation which satisfies that AB by DE. So in the first triangle, let me call this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. So in the first triangle, we take any side AB, for example the side is AB, and its corresponding side will be side DE, right? So if AB by DE equals, let a side on the first triangle be BC, then BC by its corresponding side on the other triangle EF, so EF equals the remaining side on the first triangle AC by its corresponding side on the other triangle DF. If this criteria is also fulfilled, then also we can say that the triangles are similar. Then also we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So basically there are two criteria. One, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are similar, and if the corresponding sides are proportional, this thing, we call this thing proportional. So basically the corresponding sides you can see proportional, that is the corresponding sides are ABDE, another pair is BCEF, another pair is ACDF. So if the corresponding sides are also proportional, then we can say that the triangles are similar. But actually only the first condition is enough, that is if the corresponding angles are equal. If only this condition is satisfied, for the time being let us only consider the first condition, that is this condition. If only this condition is satisfied, we can say that the triangles are similar, because in later theorems we will come to know that if the first condition is satisfied, then the second condition is also satisfied. So basically you need to focus on two triangles and see whether their angles are equal, their corresponding angles are equal or not. If the corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that the triangles are similar. So this was actually the basic, right? Because you don't need to know anything more for the time being, because most of the details regarding a triangle, what are congruency and all those things are actually discussed in the previous classes. So there will be a playlist later, as I said earlier, on basic geometry. There you will find all those things. But for the time being, this is enough for the basics of triangles according to class 10 point of view, CBSE. So to conclude the things, a triangle is a plane figure bounded by three sides, and this is how the angles are denoted, angles and sides. And regarding similarity, it is a new thing which you will be learning in class 10. The similarity of triangles is that when two triangles have all their corresponding angles equal, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. Or if the two triangles have their sides, also have their corresponding sides proportional, then also we can say that the triangles are similar. This is a very important property. In the future lectures you will know its importance. So for the time being, bye, and I will be back soon. Thank you. If you like the lecture, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.